Have you heard the exciting news? The Cottage Rose Crafty Retreat is coming in May. Hey, it's Beth. Welcome. I am hopping on today to share with you a little bit more about the Not Too Shabby Cottage Rose virtual retreat that's going to be happening in May. This is the second virtual retreat that Not Too Shabby's put on. And as always, Jamie did not disappoint in the gorgeousness of the collection, the bundle that she put together for the retreat. The retreat is free. However, if you would like to play with the kit that all the instructors will be playing with, you can purchase that. So there's a link in the description box below where you can register for free, and then you should get a confirmation email. And in that email will be a code for 15% off the kit. So the kit is not required. You do not have to purchase it. However, it is fun to be able to kind of play along with the different instructors and, create with the same materials. But if you have similar items in your stash, by all means, you can use those. But once you register, wait for the email with the coupon code so that you can come back and save 15% on the kit. So you might be asking, what is included in the kit? There is a 6x6 paper pad that has just these gorgeous kind of cottagey, well, Cottage Rose is the name of the retreat, but kind of like cottagecore feel to the papers, florals and animals and pastels, and they are double-sided, and there are sentiments on one of the sheets as well, so you get a variety of sentiments that come in the collection. But everything is double-sided. There are 24 sheets, just like usual with Not Too Shabby pads. You get the paper pad, a set of coordinating ephemera, and I will flash a picture up here of what's included in the ephemera. There are tons of gorgeous images in the ephemera. There is a stencil included, and it's like the chicken wire stencil. So that's what it would look like if you were to use it. There is a set of stamps that's got images as well as sentiments, and you saw some of the girls that were included in the ephemera. You've got the little girl here, lambs, there are some consistent images between the stamps and the ephemera, but you also get the sentiments. Thank you for making life so sweet. You're the rose in my garden of friends. Escape to your happy place. The best things take time to grow. And then just like a lot of Jamie's stamp set, there is a coordinating die set that goes with it that cuts out the sentiments as well as the images. That's always really nice. And then included in the bundle is also an extra die that says Bloom, so you can kind of see what it's going to look like there. And you get a set of beautiful enamel dots that coordinate with the colors of the pad. And if you register and purchase the kit by April 6th, which is the end of the early bird registration, you can also get this extra 6x6 pad free. This is colorful linens, and it's 12 designs, another 24 sheets of pastel, linen pattern, which coordinate really well to act as kind of like a solid, for matting purposes or just to kind of offset some of the patterns that might be in the pad. If you register after April 6th, you can purchase this as an add-on as long as it's available, but prior to April 6th, if you register, you can get this free. So make sure you check out the registration link below to register for free, get your confirmation email with the 15% off code to save off the kit. And if you're doing that prior to April 6th, not only will you save 15% off, but you'll get the extra colorful linens pad free. The retreat is in May, and I will be teaching a class. There will be an exclusive no scrap sketch set revealed for the retreat participants. So if you are enjoying my sketch sets and want a bonus one, then make sure you register for the retreat to play along with us. I've included at the end here a visual that has all the instructors, and then there's be some more information, like informational type slides that share more information about the retreat. But I'm really excited. There were a lot of cool projects that were taught in the fall retreat, so I'm excited to see everybody's projects that they make with the spring version as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed getting a sneak peek at the kit. Again, be sure to check out the registration link in the description box below for the free retreat, and I hope to see you all there. Thanks so much for your time today, and hope you all have a very crafty day.